college, we're having Makers Fair event, a technological event that happens every year. As you can see, that it's very fun, and this is the bio lab. And there are a lot of experiments and fun activities happening here right now. I'll take you around in the bio lab right now. This is another interesting event happening in CFL right now. This is face painting. As you can see, people are coming here to get their faces painted. You can see how beautifully they are painting it. This is one of the most fun places in CFL. This is a physics lab. As you can see, there are so many fun experiments happening in CFL right now. There is one of the most fun events, that's the dancing flame. Here in math department, it's not just about mathematical solving, but it's about fun logical thinking. You can see many activities in which we can use just our logic and solve many fun activities. Just check it out. As you can see, there are so many dishes cooking here wonderfully. You can see so many people doing some cooking there and so many dishes being prepared there. It smells so wonderful and so delicious. So many foods all at the same time.
It was very challenging. The questions asked were like, wow, mind blowing, and yeah, I kind of liked it a lot. I had a very great experience here with the new experience with the questions and all. I think I have to be more creative and imaginative while answering some questions. They can ask you anything, and I'm like, I was asked to explain yellow color to a blind man, and I was like, how do I do that? So that thing, I think, so I have to be more creative.
That the other fest is more on the cultural part. Here it's more on the like scientific technology part. I like that part. White was something I did not expect. It was too much. It was like, too out of the box questions. It wasn't something I was expecting, but it was fine. It was great. Something I didn't see the speed, but the accuracy was something 80% something, and then it was fine. It was nice. The competitors were it was fine overall. It was great.
Studying in TLCPU college. I'm from first PUC, and Makers Fair was a really great event according to me. We had been working hard for weeks, and there was a lot of determination by all students from the college. It turned out to be really well, and the day was really fantastic.
So it was very good. I enjoyed a lot the food, the stalls, the face painting, the competitions, the jam master, the judges, everyone. I participated in breakthrough as well, which went very good. So the overall setup is also good. All the teachers, all the lecturers, all the judges and everyone supported a lot.
Hi everyone, we are at CFL's Makers Fest 2024. So we started Makers Fest back in 2019, so this is our 6th Makers Fest. So Makers Fest is organized by Makerspace CFL, which was built to promote the maker culture in Bangalore. So today we have more than 20 contests happening in a single day and lots of other demos and exhibits. So we have bot soccer going on, RC car racing, RC crawler show, drone show. Other than that, there are lots of technical events like Byte Wars, which is a coding challenge, speed typing competition, egg drop challenge. So all these contests going on just under Makerspace, and also through physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology. We have under departments, different departments. We have various of contests going on. Also the different demos and exhibits. Also we have a main stage where cultural events going on, battle of bands, singing, dancing, and everything. So this is Makers Fest 2024.